What's going on, guys? Gabe with ReviewDork, and we are going to continue the series on how to day trade or swing trade, momentum trade. Trading on the short term is very, very different than trading in the long term. If you have $500,000 and you have pure conviction in Ford, Volkswagen, Apple, Tesla, pretty much the blue chips, which is recommended, and you don't care about that $500,000 for maybe 10 years. And then over the next 10 years, for 10 years, you will compound 10% annually. That's a good chunk of change. But there are people who want to make money now. And they're like, okay, where do I begin? The first and most important thing is assessing your risk. We have to have a psychology check really quick. Are you mentally stable? Applejacks, are you mentally stable?
I like to say I am.
Fucking lying. Why are you in this play to begin with? Is it to make money? Of course. That's why anyone is in this play. But you need to be smart about it. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about position size and properly positioning and risking your portfolio so that you don't lose the house and you don't end up holding the bag. Now, a lot of newbie investors, they do something really, really dangerous. They go ahead, they go on a screener like FinViz, and they say, whoa, BT, it's running. I gotta get in. Welcome to FOMO, bitch. Then you go ahead and you look at the chart and you're saying, okay, does it have room to run? For me, I'm like, whoa, what about somewhere down here? That would have been great. But somewhere up here in the upper eights, we see we've already tested $8.50. Let's say theoretically, I want to jump in this position and I'm okay with jumping in at $8.12 and getting out at $8.50. Not that I'm going to enter this play because I do not like the way the graph looks. However, if we were to position our risk with a position size calculator, and we enter the total value of our portfolio, meaning the total value of the cash you have available. So if you got $25,000 to play with, $100,000 to play with, you would enter that price here. Next up, the entry price. So if we look at the graph here, let's just say we want to enter at 8.17, and the percentage of the account you are willing to risk, let's just say 1%. Now, I have $100,000 as my portfolio total in cash available, but I'm only willing to risk 1% or $1,000. Where do we want the price to stop? Meaning, you have to come in with a predetermined exit strategy. So if we look at this chart here, we're going to say, I'm going to exit my position or set my stop loss maybe at or about $7.90. Set our stop loss here at $7.90. And then we compute. And by computing, we then get everything we need to know. We know that we can buy 3,700 shares. So our position size would be $30,000. We see we are risking 27 cents per share. But keep in mind, guys, when I'm entering at 8.17 and hoping to reach 8.50, I'm looking for a 33-cent gain. So it's at or about even, right? I could either make $1,000 or lose $1,000, you see? And the beauty about swing trading or day trading is that it can happen in an instant. But you don't want to be greedy, and that's where you have to have that mental check. You come in and you play conservatively, knowing strategically how many shares you can buy, how big your position size will be, and how much of your position's being risked relative to your overall portfolio. So guys, let's say I go ahead and I enter this position at 8.17. If I lose and I get stopped out, I only lose $1,000. That means I got 99 other times to try and see if I can make some money. The stock market is binary. It could only go up and down. You ideally want to be right at least 50% of the time. I clock out and I keep it running. But guys, the make or break of your success, if you want to make a go, in day trading, swing trading, momentum trading is to properly position your portfolio and stay disciplined in your risk. Now, if the stock runs up and it runs up 20%, wow, good for you. If you lose $1,000 on your position, get the hell out. You still have 99 more times to try. And this is the foundation of your education. We will build upon this. And guys, let me know in the comment section below if you found this video helpful. I'm going to start from the very, very beginning because this is Wall Street. This ain't fucking Sesame Street. This is Gabe. I'm signing out. Peace.